Hey guys, what's up? I got a quick announcement for you guys since the date is coming up really quickly, but I wanted to let you guys know I will be at WonderCon 2018 in Anaheim, California. I've talked about it in a couple other videos, but I want to make an official announcement video to let you guys know where I'm at and where you can find me. So to let you guys know, I will be in the small press section, specifically at booth SP108. I'll try to show a map right here to kind of show you where I am in the bigger scheme of things, but it's a pretty big floor, so just kind of walk around, look for me, and if you are lost or need to find me, like, shoot me a tweet. If I have good cell reception, I'll try to message you back and try to direct you on where to go. But I'll have a banner out with my name on it. I'll have all of my art on display, so hopefully you can find me in the mass crowd of all the different booths for WonderCon. This is my first year at WonderCon Anaheim, and I am really excited. Like, I've been wanting to get into this convention for a while, and I finally was able to apply this last year, and I got in, so I'm really excited. And I'm going to be debuting a couple of new items at my booth this year. So one piece, which is a new addition to my booth this year, is going to be the Nargacuga print that I made a few weeks back for the Monster Hunter, like, grand reveal. And I was really happy with that one, so I'm making a couple prints of that. And I will be having a special deal at my booth over the weekend, so if you want to check out what it is, make sure to stop by. I'll also have all my new books, my coloring book, my Inktober's, my art book, everything will be there. I'll have all my merchandise since I can just drive there. So I hope to see you guys there. I'm really excited. I'm really excited. And I realized I didn't say the date earlier. So WonderCon 2018 is March 23rd through the 25th. So I hope to see you guys there next weekend. I'll make another announcement video as we get a little bit closer, just as a little reminder in case you missed this. But either way, I'm really excited, and I will see you guys on March 23rd through the 25th. Have a great day, guys, and I'll see you all later. Bye, everybody.